Happy Thanksgiving, Dad.
Oh my gosh, happy.
It's not a picture, Dad.
Oh, it's a video.
Tell me you're dad without telling me.
Don't let him fool you. I started this.
Oh yeah?
Oh, she's taking credit.
You guys handling the turkey already?
Oh yeah.
So gross.
No, I will not be eating that.
Here's what Marmy used to do to Tia Sue. She'd pick up the turkey and she'd chase her around the house with the turkey. It scared the hell out of Sue.
Well, it's only 8:15.
Look, I made a pie last night.
Oh, she made a pie. What is that? Which pie?
Pumpkin pie.
A pumpkin pie? The best. And the dogs are having a lovely time.
Oh, there's Thelonious.
Good morning, Thelonious. Good morning, Auntie Brand.
Good morning. Happy Thanksgiving.
Look at Coda. Hi. Oh, what was that? Good morning.
Oh, please.
You look beautiful. So what are we putting in here?
Well, we don't have enough onions, so we're only putting mandarin oranges
Yeah.
in lieu of regular oranges
Nice.
and
Mandarin
celery.
Celery. Oh, Lord.
Lots of
Nice.
seasoning.
So we are gonna cook this 14-pound turkey on my new Mastercraft smoker
He's very excited
that
about
we
the
used
smoker.
yesterday for the inaugural journey. And we had flank steak and it was outstanding. So we'll be cooking this 14-pound turkey at 250 degrees with some mesquite chips and some apple cider water mix for about 6 to 7 hours.
Very exciting.
That part. Smoker.
Oh, that's so gross.
Look at that Crosby.
Yeah. Goodbye.
He already said goodbye a long time ago.
Oh my God.
These are cinnamon nutmeg pancakes, and
So
we're gonna
excited.
have pecans and chocolate chips to put on top. It's gonna be a pancake bar.
That is amazing. He's the best morning greeter of all time. Oh, he's so happy. Yes?
There's not a single door up here in the bathroom shut.
That's not me, that's her. Okay, they interrupted me. I'm coming up. She's scolding me. Mom loves the Rockettes.
I do!
Mojo's ready for his walk.
Hello everyone, long time no see. If you can tell by now, we are celebrating the holidays. I'm gonna bring you guys along with my family, my parents, my sister, and my cousins, and my aunt and uncle, and my grandma. Full house here in North Carolina. We're having a lovely time. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to document the week, everything we get up to. This is always my favorite time of year. I always make sure I'm not traveling, you know, during the holidays because just spending time with family means so much to me. So very excited to document everything. And disclaimer, my family is loud, crazy, but a good time. So enjoy.
On the daily walk that I'm dragging Ansley on. No, I wanted to go. I know. It's a lovely time. We're not going to the snow today though. The snow yesterday was litness.
Put it down, put it down.
He won't put his arm down.
I got my cape. All right, they're ready to go.
My hands, they cold.
Bye.
I'm sure she's gonna kill him. He's gonna kill me. Coda, stop! Go for it.
Go, Coda, go!
What are you digging for?
She's hunting.
You smell something, Mama?
First fall of the day.
Oh, it's like
Straight up ice. Oh, no. Right here for the dog.
I'm going with you. I'm going with you.
No!
Mojo!
He's slipping. You guys remember Ansley from the Yosemite vlog?
You can't, I'm filming right now. Throw it.
Family.
It's the fam. That was nowhere close. Oh my God, Dylan!
So this is what we're making now.
Green bean
casserole. So yummy. A little bit at a time so we don't stress out later.
been tasked with the cranberry sauce, which is not very hard to make, but it's very importante. Okay, so we got a cup of sugar.
Amazing.
Now we just have to boil this. Cinnamon. Time to pour these in. I'm gonna put it down to simmer. Stir. Now they just cook until they burst, like 10 minutes. Looking good. Yes, they're almost all pop, but not all of them. Oh my god, that looks so good.
I smell like yesterday.
Nice!
But awful. Holy crap.
So, hello everyone, this is Editing Crosby here, and I am in a terrible mood because when I was filming half of the clips downstairs, I forgot to turn on my freaking microphone. So, a lot of these clips don't have audio, and I have just spent the last 10 minutes screaming in my room. So, enjoy what I have salvaged with the audio, and the rest I will put music over. Yay!
Hey Dylan, you got options. Nothing but net!
Put them all in the
Damn it!
Out there and take that in. That hit right on my finger is. Your mom and I used to do this all the time to kill her. Oh, good try.
I hit it right at your finger.
I know.
All right, Dylan, moment of truth. Moment of truth. That's cheating. All right, we are now venturing into the game of foosball, and I'm on defense. Chuck here is on offense. Weber, how you feeling today? Let's go. Let's go. All right.
The Batman is in the house!
Absolutely. Oh!
Get it out of there, you got it.
Yeah! Let's go. Got 1 point. Hello, children.
Go big strong boys.
He's not the only one. Let's go, people. Just here and here. Dude, don't like kill my chocolate. Oh shit! Brokeback Mountain.
Sounds great.
Look.
I don't consent to being filmed. I will sue you.
Happy day after Thanksgiving, everyone. Today is like the coldest day of our trip, but it's like the most beautiful. Anyways, yesterday was so much fun. Honestly, this whole week has been amazing for a lot of reasons. Obviously, this time of year is insane for many reasons. At least for me, and I know a lot of others, work can be super overwhelming. I've been working on a remote work ebook for the last few months, and I think 3 days ago was the official launch. And by the way, if you want to check that out, link in the description box. But you know, now that that's kind of over with and I'm here in the cabin in the mountains with my family, our internet went out yesterday, and it just kind of was an excuse to embrace the unplugged nature of the holidays and spending quality time with people that I don't see all the time. So I'm super happy in general. I'm excited for today. We're going to decorate for Christmas because obviously day after Thanksgiving calls for Christmas celebrations or holiday celebrations if you don't celebrate Christmas. But yeah, that's the plan for today.
Ho, ho, ho.
What are we doing right now? No!
Throwing a guava, whatever the frick this is.
Pull out of the throw. Oh!
Nice throw. Yeah! Ready? 1, 2, 3. Guy! That was horrible. That's cold!
Stop.
So in true holiday fashion, we have vegetarian chili and regular chili for the meat lovers. Mom is so good at making chili.
Yum.
Good? Is it good?
We're making buffalo dip.
What?
All right, well this is a very simple recipe. Oh yeah. We're making the vegetarian version for me. Garlic, butter. Butter. Oh yeah. Half a cup. Squeezing. Yeah. Taste test time. All right.
Holy moly.
Oh, we still have to bake it. This is post stove. Camera died, so I'm using my phone. Yeah.
On this cold December day, we are on our merry way.
Bye. See ya. Love you.
Happy Thanksgiving. Happy holidays.
Christmas.
Bells are jingling, snowflakes tingling, Rudolph knows where to go. On this cold December day, I am piloting my sleigh. The work to be done on my Christmas run is a moment.